When positioning things in the world and wanting to make them look natural, some amount of rotation is added as a rotation pass. At times, if not using specific test cases where random rotation is part of the flow, like PCG or foliage, it can become quite time consuming to do this individually for each actor. The following shows a way to help this by using a simple editor utility widget. Inside, we have some buttons and text, nothing too fancy, and in the logic, getting the selected actors and applying random rotation depending on what we want. For one of the axes, I also did a min-max range in case we'd like to add more restraints when randomizing the angles. To test it out, start the widget. I tucked in the side here, and click on the axis you wanted to randomize the angles of. This also works with multiple actors at once. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.